those is better, right?
Well, the meat in this in the claws is sweeter than these.
Oh, see, I don't really like the sweet taste, so that's fine.
Okay.
You gonna pick them up with your hands?
Yeah, just who have any Caribbean?
I got Caribbean.
Just find anyone you want. I take it up on the weight for you.
Okay. Which one should I get, y'all?
Don't kill them, man.
Which one, Sean? This one?
This one?
Yeah.
Oh, y'all gonna kill him?
Oh, he looking at me. Oh, he want Junior. He want me again. Him.
Yeah, you're looking at you.
Ooh.
Junior, you got a big ball.
Junior. Ooh, Junior. He being petty. You know you get ready to get gagged.
Junior, get him, Junior.
He know he get ready to get gagged.
Okay.
Definitely can't get mad.
You gotta put that thing on him, Junior.
It's giving ready to love. Yep. Yes.
It's giving
Gotcha.
it's the approach for me.
Ooh.
Don't do it. Oh, baby. Oh, my God.
Yeah. Sorry, guys. We gonna
Pipe down. Pipe it
eat
down.
your ass.
Pipe down.
How much you weigh, Junior?
Pipe it down.
This one is 4 3/4.
Okay.
Pipe it down.
Is that good?
I thought it'd be moving like that.
Me neither. Them the ones they catch over there in the water.
And then where's the biggest one? What's that one back up in there? Shoot, this one right here looks like it. What about that one back there though?
The fries? Yeah.
Yeah, that one back there. That baby girl back there. It's the remix. Pull her up. Let me see. Just pull her up real quick. Let me see what she's working with. Let me see what you're working with.
Ooh, she big.
Okay.
She got a big butt.
I want to hold her. Look, I want to hold her.
Oh, I hold her.
Let me want to hold her.
Oh, you do?
It was nice.
Oh, that's mine. That's mine. Oh, you gonna wrench it around here?
Man, I like this. Oh my God.
That's mine. No, that's mine, Junior.
Melted butter, salad dressing.
Oh my Lord.
Oh, he ain't cut yours. Okay.
It's cut.
Oh, I like your rice. Do some rice.
Pressure.
So we use pineapple sauce for just eat it with this. Different sauce. That's good. Yeah, it's real good. I just taste it. It ain't got no
Rush. Everybody touch their food. Rush. It's the aftermath. Rush. That's all that. Yay! Happy birthday, boo!
That's right. Coin.
Yes! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! If it's your birthday, make some noise. If it's your birthday, make some noise. If it's your birthday, make some noise. Hey. Charlotte, what's going on? Let's give it a nice swim. You can bring your head down to the pool. It's open until 11, which most resorts pools close at like 7 or 8. So we love to see it. So we're gonna see what it do. But look, y'all, hey look, she was sitting way over here. As soon as she seen that, need that shot, that thing shot up. Happy in love. Look.
Watch how much she posts.
It's the guard for me. It's the guard hand for me. Well, come on, boo. Hopefully you make it home after this. Alright, y'all. So Sean ain't left. She put the keys in the car but didn't leave the driveway. You gotta say. When you try to FaceTime, but your friends don't know how to act. Go to bed. Go to bed.
Go to bed. You not done shit. Hennessy or juice like because you playing too much. I want to go to sleep, so apparently we gotta. If I take this shot, can I go to bed? My sister and my little girlfriend, they finna be CEOs, we finna be CEOs of all this shit for y'all. It's called Sheesh. Is it called Sheesh? Hey, y'all ain't gonna know the zeros that y'all see. It's gonna be like, hey, looking at me, hey, zeros, hey.
I hope we go to bed. I hope we go to bed.
Hey.
I hope we go to bed tonight. Night night. Good morning. It's the view for me. Good morning, you guys. So this is officially day one, the first full day in St. Maarten. Fucking gorgeous. Look at this. So we did go to the pool last night. So we're definitely gonna get in today and do some other stuff. But yes, y'all, get in. It's the view for me. Yes, come on, son. I need a good old tan, baby. Tan me. Definitely need the tan line. Okay, so we're headed to get some breakfast. Everything is basically walking distance where we are, which is always a plus. But shit, I'm gonna get these steps in though.
I'm not a proponent of that.
Okay, so we get right here down to the pool /
I'm a
beach.
baby. You know that.
Everybody ready? Big step of bartender.
Stop it.
Okay.
So who said
You said what now?
y'all. I don't think he mad.
We drinking that big Queedaboo, drinking that Malibu.
I sure am.
Malibu boo. Malibu boo, Queedaboo.
Yeah, I sure am. Outdated, guys.
That thing said outdated. Well, you know what we gotta drink because this is all we know. Oh, I don't have no time. Is your charging?
Is your charge fan?
Please say yeah.
Don't look like it.
Damn. All right, we back. Y'all, the water feels amazing. It's not as hot, but it's a good little breeze, but it feels so good. That's our hotel, and I'm on the beach. Got me a little drink. So I'm gonna take some pictures. I'm gonna try to get a little tan lines now. Yeah, this is a good light right here. So I'm trying to get her a foot massage on the beach, and it's not beaching. It's not beach massaging. It look good though.
Hey, listen.
Ocean 82, baby.
No, you can't save, I'm mad enough. Smoking hella weed, I'm on the alcohol. Shawty lick me clean away, she suck me off. I keep 2 O's in my bed, I got them turning out. What would you do if you heard I got it going?
Okay, so St. Maarten don't really have sidewalks, so we always walking in the street. So we get ready to go to Nowhere. We get ready to go to Nowhere Special to get some eat. Some trying for a little change. My mask up. Mask up and mask up. Alright, let's see what's going on. Cheers, guys. Period.
It's party in the little elevator. It's party in the little elevator. It's party in the little elevator. Sorry. Press 4. Why it stop at 2? Why it stop at 2? Cause she was trying to get on, but the thing is too small. She couldn't get on cause the thing was too small. There's a whole lot of booze in the elevator. A whole lot of booze in the elevator. It's hot as a motherfucker. Let me out this bitch, please. I'm out to die. It's going down. Open up this door right now. God, go. Woo! Woo! Yeah. Oh, come on. Come on, P. Come on, P. Walk. Come on, P. Walk. It's a PP walk for me. It's a PP walk for me. Yeah. Come on, PP. It's a PPP and a PTT. Come on, PP. Yeah. Come on, PP. It's a needle name. Come on, PP. It's a needle name. Oh, PP. I gotta go. Oh. She gotta stay. Hey, everybody gotta get it in the butt and the feet.
So we just left that place that is still lit. It's giving a band for me. This is the view from our hotel. Literally. Y'all better party, damn it. Happy St. Martin Day. Damn, I'm crusty and shit. Do a little hookah. What do you mean?
Party here? Hi, is it right here or party here?
Sean, shut up. God.
It's right here in our party.
Shut up.
I mean, I was asking a question. I want to know
They're
what's going
so
on.
embarrassing.
What?
Y'all want to sit outside?
What the fuck is embarrassing now?
Hi. What?
Bitch, you look at me.
First of all, I don't understand why you screaming and hollering. That's why Bitch, you look a mess.
It's giving Michael Myers, bitch.
They setting us up. They setting us up. Thank you. VIP. I love it.
Just let me know.
Okay. Thank you. What's your name? Adam. Thank you, Adam.
You are such a gem.
Yes, he got us out here VIP style. Who wanted with Hove? Wish they had the fountain on though.
Hey,
But it's all right.
Let's just get Adam in the picture.
Yes, come on, Adam. We done came here to have fun with the people.
gotta put the goddamn bottles and things down there.
Come on, Adam. Adam was amazing. Y'all were great. We love it here.
That's your guy here.
Yeah. It's the hospitality
The
for me.
establishment, the hospitality.
We getting a whole
The
ride.
whole Uber ride.
We getting a whole ride from the owner though.
Let me tell y'all
Making
ever
sure
come
we
to
get
St.
home
Martin?
safe.
Hey, this shit is everything.
Come to
When I
St.
tell
Martin.
y'all,
Come to X Lounge.
It's the
XX Lounge.
The owner of the restaurant is driving us to our fucking hotel. Like, y'all don't even understand what's going on.
Come on, one.
Hey, listen.
I should not even turn around. What the fuck's going on? Come on, Quita. Goddamn, we done fuck this shit up. I can't even turn around. I'm gonna go get the front. I'm gonna go get the front door.
How she gonna put it on? Never, like, we done been brought home.
We just normally get dropped off.
No,
We normally just pay and leave.
from the restaurant.
I know that.
And leave. Peace out.
Boom, boom, pins, bad, put it in the elevator. In the elevator. Pop in the elevator. Who gon' press 4 in the elevator? Cause I'm about to die in the elevator. Press 4 before we go upstairs in the elevator.
We moving it.
Oh,